The goal of the counseling program is to prepare students who will become professional counselors who are competent and well prepared to work with diverse populations.
I've learned that counseling is not only a process in trying to help others in the helping professions, but it's also a personal process in dealing with things that you've been through in your own life. Because of the relationships that I made in the smaller classes, I feel like that helped me a ton.
A large component of our teaching includes a didactic component and the experiential component. We focus heavily on the experiential component because this is where students learn their clinical skills, purposeful speech, role plays based on specific scenarios that mimic real-life client scenarios. And that is actually a major focus of how students develop.
Focusing on not so much what you might get in an undergraduate classroom where you're taking notes and you're trying to prepare for a test, but really how it applies to working with clients, really moving more into seeing ourselves as professionals and developing a professional identity.
So all of our faculty members are licensed clinicians. As such, they are able to impart a lot of the clinical knowledge in the classroom setting.
Students are working to become licensed professionals. It's important that they are trained by licensed professionals as well.
You really are amongst like-minded individuals, especially your professors that have experience in practicing counseling.
Field experience in the counseling program is really the hallmark. Our students have to have experience working out in the field where they're applying the theories that they have learned with actual clients.
One of the things we take pride in our department is actually trying to train students to be multiculturally competent.
Social justice, multiculturalism, diversity and equity are all part of who we see ourselves as a program.
I've always wanted to help people. I just didn't know which pathway would be the best for me until I found a Webster's counseling program. These courses have really shown me that helping marginalized communities is really what I want to do with my life. Being in this program has really solidified that.